Lagos, Nigeria. So yeah, I'm excited. This morning I'm on my way to Ajah. So I'm going with my friends. I'm at my friend's house. So look at my friend Ike. We should do a video together, guys, right? Leave in the comment section if you want us to do a video together. Friendship tag to know how well this woman knows me. And that's her lovely sister Sade. And her lovely kids. That's my goddaughter, by the way. Her name is Alina, and that's a son, Nathan, and that's Hilda. And they're so cute. Yeah, so we're leaving now. Just ordered the ride, so the guy should be here in no time. So I hear the traffic to Ajah is insane. So I'm not wearing makeup because, see, the heat in Nigeria can frustrate you. But still, we move. So I'm gonna have to talk to you guys later when I'm in the car, okay? And show you around Lagos and see what I'm up to. So I'll talk to you guys. Bye. So guys, let me show you my outfit of the day. I'm pretty casual. Okay, so just look at me. Oh yeah, girl is wearing. Okay, I'm just looking really very, very casual. This is what I'm wearing. Just wearing my baseball cap, my hair, my glasses from this is Rag and Bone. I got it from Nordstrom. And this is a t-shirt and a shirt. This is H&M. This is Primark. This is Kate Spade, and this is from Riviera. My dad's sandals. All of you know it already. Okay. So that's what your girl is looking like this morning. Huh? Looking cute. Ew. So this will borrow a boat. Huh? Boat. Okay, so we just got on the boat now. We're going all the way to Ajah, I think. Oh yeah, somewhere around there. It's really far, and I hope there's really no traffic today when we get to the island. So let me just show you around Lagos. And this is. Okay, so this is Anthony. It's on that bridge. I know there's one place Anthony on that bridge. Okay, this is Anthony. They were headed down toward mainland and then to Ajah. Like I predicted, I can already see traffic in front. And I hope this journey doesn't take longer than expected because I need to be back because I have a dinner to attend this evening as well. I want to be well rested to go out later. I don't want to be looking all stressed up because your baby girl don't like stress. You all know, right? Traffic for like forever. It's so much traffic. I give you a used to that Lagos. I'm at VGC right now. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you're not seeing. I'll show you now. Like, look at the traffic. We've been in here for a minute. See? Can you see? There's a gridlock here. So bad. Right now, I look very tired. Like so tired. I can't wait to get home. I'm tasty. I know. Yeah, by the way guys, I'm on my way to Laifa's house. Remember her Laifa luxury hair, Laifa beauty. When I get to her house, I'll do a little bit of vlogging so we can so shoot a video today. But I'm looking all messed up, looking all tired, so I don't think I can film a video with her today. Yeah, I'll just stop by to see her, say hello, and then I head on my journey. Just thought to give you guys a quick update, so I'll have to talk to you guys later. Bye. That's my former office right there. So good to finally. Oh my goodness, there's a renovation going on. So beautiful now. That's MTN Golden Plaza. Oh, it brings memories, you know. Oh wow, nice. So we're in Ikoyi right now. This is where is this one? Where is this? Yeah, this is Ikoyi Awolowo. There's so much traffic here. Yeah, there's so much traffic right now. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see the cars? $100. Do I look stressed? So what time? I'm sure you guys what I got. I had to stop by to get water, right? Because I have been running. Stock has been running because what I've been drinking. And I got this. I got chin chin. A chin chin I got it from Lekki.
One eternity later.
Where is the volume, please? Where is the volume, please? I'm on my way out again. So remember I told you guys I was going to Ajah and I was going to see Laifa. So I think I got home somewhere around to 5. So I just quickly ran into the shower and got dressed. Have a dinner in Ikeja bungalows. I couldn't make up, I'm sorry, okay? This is not Ikeja Dallas, this is Ikeja Lagos. The heat will not allow me concentrate to make up because it's really, really super hot. But my friend, she's all glammed up. She's all glammed up. Can you see her? Guys, can you see her? She's all glammed up. Yes, guys, so just going for dinner. I'm going to meet up a friend there, you know, just to catch up and stuff, yeah. That's all we're doing tonight. Where we're going is about 20 minutes from here. Okay, I'll do an OOTD when I come out. I'm just having my rag and bone glasses, just a fashion over shirt, my H&M jeans, and where did I get that slippers from Ross, I think. So that's all, guys. I look tired, right? Oh, so everything is good now.
But that's down. That's one. There's no hurry. That's one. Bring the hurry.
Okay. Dominate market.
Yeah, they do.
So clear. Say hello, Nika. So clear. Yeah, just got here. Nice. So I just got to bungalows now. Waiting for my friend to come here. She stays very close by. Okay, so this is my look for the day. My hair. Okay. Yeah, I think I blinked just when we were about.
Wow.
Wow, nice.
The next day.
So another day, I can meet up with my friend today. I'm at a place in Yaba in Habad Macaulay Way. I don't know if you can hear me. The music playing up there. I'm just waiting. I've been here for at least another 15 minutes, so I'm waiting. I'm just chilling. I told you I've been having running stomach, so I'm a little bit apprehensive ordering something here. Maybe I'll just buy a bottle of Nestle water or even water because I'm just a little bit skeptical buying stuff here. So I'm just pretty simple. This is moi, okay? No makeup. I mean, no makeup girl in it just because again the heat is way too much.
One eternity.
Guys, good morning. What's up? How are you? Alright guys, so it's morning time. It's past 7 in the morning. I just finished washing my hair because I need to braid it. I need to do like Ghana braids. So they're coming home to get my hair done. Can you see how tired I look? Not tired, sleepy. I've been up since past 5. My friend lied to me. She told me the lady was coming at 6:30 when she knew deep down that the lady was going to come at 7. And even at 7, she's not even here. Now she made me sit down with her in the kitchen to give her moral support to make her more and more. But I'll show you guys the moi process. But guess what? The moi is so yummy. She's a caterer. I'll leave her handle down in the description box. Guys, go support her. Place your orders. Trust me, once you place your order the first time, you keep coming back. Okay? I'll plug her in. I'll leave her handle. So yeah, do the needful. Tell her you're for me. Okay, guys? The next clip you're going to be seeing is the production process, and then you see the final work, and then you see me eating the yummy moimoi. Okay, all right, so the plans I have for today, I'm going to the airport. I'm going to Benin, going to see my parents. I miss them so much. All right guys, I'll talk to you. All right, so this is a process. This is the ones that have already been wrapped. So guys, this is a process, right? We use something called the leaves. All right, they will explain to you how the leaves is gotten. So you get 2 leaves. Look at how she's wrapping it together, putting them together nicely. The leaves actually gives it a very beautiful aroma. and then you measure it with a cup, put it inside, and there's the eggs, there's the corned beef, and I think there's fish they put inside as well. It's really nice. So I'll leave her to let you know how the process, how it was blended and all that. But just look at how she's wrapping it and then putting it right into the pot. All right, so Shadi, can you tell us how you got this paste together?
Yes, I just blended the beans. I added pepper.
Okay, what kind of pepper did you use?
I used bell peppers.
This is like ataro.
Atarudu, yes, and tatashe, and onions.
Okay.
A lot of onions and ginger.
And ginger. Okay.
Yes.
That all. So
That's
how?
all.
So how did you make the color? Because I know beans normally when you blend is like white.
Yes, because of the pepper.
Okay, the pepper.
Yes, the tatashe and the bar.
Okay. Normally, how do you get this consistency? Is that where you measure it to get this consistency?
Measure it, yes. This is like we have 5 cups here. Well, we've done a lot, so this is it here.
Okay.
So you can't measure it like that because it wrapped a lot. Okay. So we're planning to wrap like 120 wraps. Okay. For now.
Oh, I see. So usually, like this quantity, how long does it take to get cooked? Ready to be eaten.
45 minutes.
Okay, not bad. Ready. Okay. So if you're eating moi, usually what kind of what would you eat it? Would you eat by itself or how do you eat it?
Yes, by itself. If you want by yourself, yes, you can with pap, with gari, anything.
The custard as well.
Custard, yes, anything you feel like.
Can you eat it with rice?
Yes, with rice, anything.
Okay. All right. So thank you for walking us through the production process, guys. The next thing you see is gonna be on the fire. I'll show you how it's put on the fire and when it's cooked and when it's ready for consumption. And you see me eating a yummy moi moi. I've been bugging my friend to make it since, so I'm glad she made it. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. So, guys, I'm currently braiding my hair. Like I told you, I want to do. Oh my God, I have gray hair. Oh, see plenty gray hair. I want to do Ghana braids all back to travel. Something simple. So yeah, this is a process. That's the process of my hair. I'm loving it so much. Let's go check out moi and see how far it's gone now. Look at this. This is like the Nigerian. This is the real process of making moi, like industrial process. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now, okay? Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Wow, can you see? So when it's getting cooked, the leaves turn like brownish, as you can see from the leaves. They are ready to eat now. I can't wait to eat it. I most likely might be having mine with pap, also known as akamu in Yoruba. That's what, or ogi. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so nice. So we had to do it outside because we cannot do this industrial cooking inside. It had to be outside so the smoke and everything can be expelled. Nice. So this is going for 120 people. Like I told you, she caters out. So she caters moi, rice, salad, like anything you want to think of. She caters everything. Again, her Instagram page will be linked below, so please check her out and holler at her, okay? She's in Lagos, Nigeria, and I guess she delivers as well. So yeah, all the details will be in the description box. Bye. Yes, let me go continue my hair. Oh, I'm so happy. I got to do my hair today. Okay, you ready? Okay, let me help you. Alright guys, so this is the packaging process. So it's all packed here. How many do you put in one here? 12? Yeah, this is 12.
1 dozen.
Oh, that's 1 dozen basically, and it's 5,000 naira. So I'll put the dollar equivalent on there. So you can order for your family and friends here in Nigeria as well. So, and what's here?
Chicken stew.
Oh, this is chicken stew. I told you they make all sorts of African delicacies, and the name of the caterer is Sisi's Kitchen, right? Sisi's Kitchen, and the numbers on there. Yeah, so all of this pack is going out for 120 guests. Yeah, watch me as I eat mine very soon. Alright, catch you guys. guys, so it's taste time. Taste time. Oh yeah, taste time. Okay. So this is a yummy moi. See the color. Like really, where can you get this one in that Dallas that you are living? I'll be that New York that you are living. Let me enjoy my moi. See, I'm having with fresh pap. This is not the pap from Southwest that is in the freezer for the last 10 years. It's fresh. Now let's eat. Woo! This tastes so good. Guys, like I told you, make sure you go to the description box and check the contact and make sure you order. She delivers within Nigeria, of course. You don't expect her to deliver in America, except you're willing to pay the shipping fee. So guys, this is the end of the video. No, I'll take it to the airport when I'm going and when I get to Benin, and that'll be the end of today's vlog. Until my next video, remember to stay blessed and stay stylish. Take care. Bye.